Today I'm going to show you how to break down a chicken step by step. First, we start with the wings. This is the chicken wing. There is a joint here. You see? This is the wing. Same thing on this side. Joint. Then the chicken. You want to make cut here and cut here. We will separate the legs from the breast. Then these are two legs. Cut straight down the middle. Like this. This is the thigh. This is the drum. The joint is right here. Just cut straight. We will do the same with this. Cut straight. The thigh have a lot of fat. This is the excess fat. Take the fat out like this. Your thigh beautiful. Same thing. Excess fat. Take the fat out like this. Your thigh beautiful. This is the back. How we remove the back? One cut here. One cut here. This is the back. It's out. This is your chicken breast. Cut it half. Right here. Like this. Excess fat. Remove the excess fat. You have beautiful breast now. Remove excess fat. Now, if you want to go more advanced, the wing, you have to split it. There is a joint. Here. There's another joint. The tip, you take it out. Again, the wing, the joint here. The tip, joint here. Take it out. The breast, this part, like this. This is the back. This part, like this. Okay? You want to remove the backbone? No problem. Take it like that. You see? Backbone is out. Same thing. Remove the backbone. Now, let's see what we have. Two breasts, two thighs, two drumsticks. And then you have 4 split wings. Back, fat. That's it.